Let us take two different colors, maybe green and red. Okay. Green and red. You have heard of something called, see, again, this, what is the shape? What is the shape? What is the shape? Flattened, right? The moment I gave some air to it, what will happen to the shape? What I am trying to give when we are blowing it? Which means pressure, which means force, which means thrust, which means torque. Okay, these all are the same word. बुलाऊं इसको? See, this much force, this much. See, what I call this? Balloon. We call it balloon. Can I call it change in shape? Yes, sir. Can I call change in shape? Yes, sir. Which means pressure can change the shape of an object. Yes, sir. Can it change? Yes, sir. Now, if I leave it, what will happen? Which means we can come back to the initial position again. Okay, understood? Yes, sir. Easily understood. Now what will happen if I blow it again? Will it blow or not? कि नहीं अभी तो फूल गया था अब नहीं फूलूंगा ऐसा बोलेगा क्या? Will it say like that? No, sir. No, not at all. Okay. What will happen if I keep blowing and keep blowing and keep blowing? See how beautiful it is, right? Yes, sir. Now I wanted, why I blown to this much is I wanted to show you something. See, observe this, where it will go. Okay, what force can do, what pressure can do. Okay, observe this. कहाँ जा रहा है? See. It did not wanted to go to you. It came to me only. But of course you observe something. Yes, sir. Some movement. Yes, sir. Which again means if there is some pressure, some force, it can move something. Yes, sir. It can move something. Yeah, which can again change the motion. There was some change in direction also. Many directions were there. Right? It was making sound also. Perfect. So, pressure and force can bring this also. And this is what you are reading in? Yeah, this is what you are reading. Right? You have seen this. Right? Now I want to show one more thing. अब फूलेगा कि नहीं? Yes, sir, फूलेगा. नहीं फूल रहा. Heard of something, this formula? You have read of this formula?
Yes, sir.
Have heard of this?
Yes, sir.
The whole chapter is about this, right? And next 1 to 3 minutes I will talk on this one. Give me 5 pens. See, this is something I am having. I am tying it now. Okay, this is the balloon we have. See, we all use this nail to put it in our ऐसा ये यूज करते हैं ना. What you call? गजाल, कांटी, कीलर. What you call in Odia? कांटा, है ना. So we put it in our this दीवाल. तब this is, if this is your A and this is your B, which end will go? B. Which end will go? B. Look at the area. Look at the area. And look at the area here. किसका ज़्यादा है? Which area A का ज़्यादा है? Look at this formula now. I want you to understand this right here, right now, and you are definitely going to get questions on this. Okay? If area is more, if area is more, force, pressure is less. Pressure is less, which means force is also less. Which means if we are using A end, अगर B end को अंदर की तरफ रख रहे हैं और A को बाहर रख रहे हैं, तो which means we are area ज़्यादा है या कम है? एरिया कम है, which means we need to apply एरिया कम है, तो which means we need to apply more pressure. Okay, so here also I will show you something. This activity, I want 2-3 people to come here. See, two end, which has more area?
Has a pointed end.
Pointed end has more area.
Less area.
Less area. What will happen if I do like this? What does it again show? कि if there is some gap in a surface, अब कैसे भी आया हो, you have traveled by car, bus, this, कभी कभी पंक्चर हो जाता है, or even your bicycle, many a time you have to repair the puncture. So how it happens? There is some gap on the surface. वो gap कैसे create हुआ? Maybe friction. You have heard of friction also, na? It is there in your book. Friction also what happens?
Wear and tear.
It's wear and tear. Wear and tear को और समझने, it's just rub your hand. That's friction. Just rub your hand. That is friction. Two body coming in contact with one another. Two body coming in contact with one another. Stop it. This is something that happened. What you felt? Did you feel the heat?
Yes, sir.
Did you feel that two surfaces are rough?
Yes, sir.
They're coming in contact with one another, right? So this is friction. With friction टायर खराब हो जाता है. The other way, पंक्चर कैसे हो सकता है? कि something comes on the way. And we are traveling. Unfortunately, we got some maybe some glasses or something else, right? So there is some gap. So what will happen if I do it with the pointed end?
It will brush.
Brush easily, more easily, right? And if this side,
Good name.
right? See, I'm doing for quite harder than that also, right? See, area कम है या ज़्यादा? Area ज़्यादा है, which means I have to apply, which means I have to apply. Okay, and what is this?
सर ये एरिया कम है. प्रेशर ज़्यादा मार देगा.
और तो क्या?
Yes, sir.
See, let us increase, let us understand the things more easily. See, these all are pointed.
Yes, sir.
These all are pointed. I'm doing the same thing again. अभी भी ब्रश नहीं हो रहा. What happened now?
प्रेशर कम पड़ रहा है.
Area increased. All are pointed ends. You said कि pointed end से करेंगे तो फट जाएगा. I am doing with pointed end.
एरिया इंक्रीज हो गया.
What happened? If we put it the other way, ये तो चलेगा, right? So this is something you have to understand this formula, okay? And you are definitely going to get questions on this. All right. One more thing I wanted to tell you about electrostatic force. It is there
Yes, sir.
in 8th only.
Yes, sir.
See, what is it? It is nothing but it's like you have heard of something called charged body, uncharged body. And how we will discover something is charged or uncharged? Right? It's all about rubbing. This is the body. This is anything. If I rub it on my shirt, ठीक है? Either two things can happen. या तो ये चार्ज होगा या तो मैं चार्ज हो जाऊँगा. We charge our mobile phone, right?
Yes, sir.
We charge lot many things, cell phones and many other batteries. But we can, do you know we can charge ourselves also?
Yes, sir.
Let's charge up, है ना? If we, right? So ऐसे rub करने से either this will get which charge or this will get which charge, we don't know. Maybe positive, maybe negative, right? Right? So this to find out कि charge हुआ है कि नहीं, we do something and you all can also try. You must have tried also. Scale को बाल पे rub करके.
लेफ्ट पे प्रेशर लॉक करके पहले ऊपर दिखाएंगे तो उठेगा वो.
हाँ. So I want all of you all to do that. Pause the video for time. Okay, get the things ready. Get the things ready. इसका मत लेना, ठीक? All of you are ready? Okay, let us see. See, by rubbing on your head, you are charging one body, either the pen or your hair. And let us see if there is some charge, you can attract that. Try होगा. Make it little small. Try with scale. Yeah, that is happening. See, yes, very good. So this is how the things are, okay? When you rub it on your hair or your skin or any other part, it shows you are developing some charge. You are getting yourself charged, and this charge is helping the other body to attract towards. We are doing it with paper and pen, right? हो रहा है, किसका हो रहा है? दिखाओ, show me. Do it again. We can call it magic, right?
Yes, sir.
Generally, I call science beautiful, then again, it's a magic also. At times, it is magic. Okay. See. So, it was nice, right? Doing that. I hope you have done that again. पहले भी किए हो. Previously, you have done it, but it was. But और फिर से करेंगे नहीं? It's really interesting, right? I'm having two balloons. See, of same thing, same material, everything, but the color is different. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Keep it at little height, higher. Hold it here, hold it here. Yeah, hold it here. Okay, you can see two balloons.
Yes, sir.
Right? Now, I told you, a body gets charged. Basically, for now you understand, a body gets charged when we rub it. Okay? But people have classified different things कि किस में क्या चार्ज है accordingly, understand करते करते जैसे जैसे जो समझ आया. But for now, in case of balloon, keep it straight, ना? Straight खड़े रहो, दोनों at the same time. Okay? Little this side, yeah. Yes. Stay there, stay there. So, higher, yes. If I rub this too is the body. I'm bringing them closer. I'm rubbing them. Let us see what happens. Let us see what happens. Huh? Let us see what happens. Let us see. We all are here to observe. Keep it tight, okay? You people keep it tight. Otherwise, kuch things will turn around. I'm rubbing it for a while, which means I'm developing some. We don't know positive or negative. Now let's see what happens. I'm going to leave in next 5 seconds. Okay?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
See what happened. Repelling, right?
Yes, sir.
It's going, है ना? दूर जा रहा है. Even if you try to, he's trying to put it the other way around, but it's not happening. Okay? This is how a body gets charged, by rubbing. Either the repulsion or the attraction that you saw in case of the activity that you did with your scale and your. Okay, thank you. Go get back. So this is what the electrostatic charge we call it. And why we call it electrostatic? Static, because it's not moving. It's not moving, na? एक ही जगह पे है. Either in one body or the other body. Either in your pen or your hair or on the paper. Right? It's not moving. The moment it starts moving, we call it current, which you will read in some other classes. Okay? This is all we have today, and many more in the next lectures. Thank you.